Hello everybody. In today's video are going to be learning how to make a trap beat. So let's go. Let's make sure it's 4/4 and let's say it's a 142. Let's do B flat minor. Turn on Smart View. Let's make our chords. So this is the chord progression. Just take a minute to copy it down. It's just in root form, but with these notes in the middle, pitch and bass notes. Just put them down an octave. By choice, you can actually change it. Pull that off. Okay, never mind. To organize it, let's name it melody. Or no, it's chords. Kind of, yeah. Okay, so all right, let's look. Instrument. I genuinely don't know what didgeridoo is, but you can skip this part because it's boring to look for loops. So I'll just tell you when I have a good loop. Okay, so I found my loop and it sounds like this. Yeah. So let's just auto pitch this, is it? Alright. So if your thing is not in scale, just do this. Let's go. And let's just make it more orchestral for this. Let's see, strings. Okay, cello section. Just to make a small melody, alright? much. Alright, let's go. We got some bells, some background noise. Now, time to add FX, and I'll see you when I'm done, I guess. Okay, I've just decided it's a good thing that I find the white noise with you, too. So, let's see. Just white noise. White noise. Okay, so this is the arrangement. Do something like this. And then here's the final thing, I guess.